Hi everybody, I'm Nancy Schlessinger, co-founder and vice president of LovelySkin.com.
And I'm Joel Schlessinger, board certified dermatologist and CEO of LovelySkin.com. So I'm here with my wife, Nancy, and it's rare that she comes on a video, but we're excited. And the reason she's come on this is that Nancy absolutely has a passion for Colorescience. And tell me why you like Colorescience so much.
I absolutely love their products. I've been using them for years and they're just so great. All their products have an SPF in them and they're mineral based, so they're really, really great for my skin. And we're so excited to launch the no-show mineral sunscreen total protection SPF 50.
One of the things that really made me so excited about this sunscreen in particular is the fact that it didn't have that chemical smell that so many of the sunscreens that you like to go on in the nice way have. Like, you had a choice of, do I want something that goes on really thin and nice and sheer and smells like a chemical, or do you want something that is thick and gloppy and may cause acne and other things but doesn't have chemicals? Well, it seems like Colorescience has really cracked the code of something you can put on, stays on nicely, and it's very light and does not have a bad smell.
It will be my go-to sunscreen for sure. I love it.
I think so too.
I'm so excited for it.
I think we may be fighting each other for it, but you know, whatever.
I already got mine.
Me too. Thanks so much for joining Nancy and me for this unboxing of the Colorescience Total Protection No-Show Mineral Sunscreen, All Mineral Actives SPF 50 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. I said that in one breath.
Well, you said it, so I don't have to. I think it's going to be a great sunscreen. We can't wait to use it. You'll find it here at LovelySkin.com along with all of the other Colorescience products.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.